Okay, this one's similar to 31, which deals with isosceles triangles, and of course, the information that you need to know is that if the two legs are congruent, then the base angles also are congruent. So that means that this is congruent to this, meaning we have 56 degrees as that angle measure in there. 56 degrees. I'm going to put a little equation editor in there. It gives us the ability to write with the degree symbol. It's kind of nice. Okay, so what do we know then? We know that the two base angles are each 56, and what is 56 plus 56? 56 plus 56 is 112. So we've used up in those two base angles 112 of the 180 degrees that we're allowed to have in a triangle that our triangle requires. So let's subtract and see what's left for that vertex angle. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 1 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0, so 68 degrees. So what does x equal up there at the top? 68 degrees. The answer is A.